Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Hello friends, I'm Ayush Singh and welcome to my channel. Today's topic short speech on computer. So let's go for. Computer is one thing without which we cannot imagine our life. It has become an important part of life for the modern day people. Computer has been introduced as a compulsory subject in schools to help the kids learn about the same from an early age. It is essential to teach students about this machine as this is what they would be required to work on as they grow up. The current working generation had to attend special training programs to learn about the various aspects as uses of the computers in order to use them. However, the newer generation is being taught about it as a subject in a school so that they do not face any such problem in the future. Special computer labs are set up in the schools and trained computer teachers are employed to teach the subject. Computers are being used for various purposes today like machinery operation, the guidance of spacecraft, weather forecasting and technology. The memory of the computer is so vast that it could hold a large amount of data. Computers can complete various tasks more effectively than human beings. It is also known as great invention of man. It is an electronic machine, but it made our life simple and easy. It became a great gift of science. Now we can't imagine our life without computer. Technology has forever changed the world we live in. We are online in one way or another all day long. Our phones and computers have become reflections of our personalities, our interests, and our identities. They hold much that is important to us. Thank you for watching. I hope you may like this video. Thank you.